Welcome to misery. Oh my gosh. It's rainy and it's cold.
Did you say good morning like you all were supposed to?
I said good morning to a yucky day, but it's his birthday and he wanted Dairy Queen, so we're headed out. Hey guys, Momma Badger here, and I'm gonna be your host for the day. I'm gonna let him take the day off and do some video and actually edit tonight, I think. So, hey, wish me luck on this. So, I know a lot of you have already said happy birthday to him, so thank you so much. So first stop, Dairy Queen. Shh. And this is what you do when you get old. All right. Vintage stop, music, movies, games, and of course Sonny. I'll have to ask him how he found this place, but I think it popped up social media maybe, and he's like, I want to go there before we go to dinner. Hi. How'd you find out about this place, Sonny? Google? Oh, you Googled? You were specifically looking. Oh yeah, you guys went out yesterday and went to some place yesterday, and
we went to a pawn shop.
A pawn shop. And he said the prices were crazy. So they found this place. That's why we're here. Yeah. Let's see if he buys anything. All right, let me see your hands. Nothing? Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing
Does that
at all.
surprise you? Do I ever buy shit?
I know, but was there something you would have wanted? You're just not getting?
No.
No? What was you looking for?
Just anything cool.
And nothing was cool.
Nothing was
the
cool.
The place was huge.
What?
It
Nothing
had
was cool.
Anything and everything.
Sorry.
All right, stop number 2. Kim's opened the door for me. This place isn't vintage, is it? It's a pretty huge, big place too, and it's just across the street. Let's see what happens. All right, Sonny just found a PlayStation game. Had no idea.
I had no idea it existed. I'm half tempted to just buy it and then take it to him and have him sign it. He lives right by us, so.
Right. We'll see him in Alabama here.
Right. On the way home,
yeah,
I'll stop and have him sign it.
Yeah, and be like, look what we found. Will you sign this?
Anyway, I thought that was cool.
That is cool. Okay, so I end up getting Nevaeh's good friend Ryan. We hang out with all the time. Some pins. There's like 3 different ones here. And I had to talk him into it. I literally had to pay for them. Here, you want to pull them out?
I wouldn't have bought them, no.
He wouldn't have bought them, and I bought them, but...
We get Gran Turismo 4, because I'm trying to collect all the Gran Turismo games.
That's cool.
And the wind is blowing, so
and
it's
then,
hard to...
Yes, we did end up getting the one.
How can I not get the Orange County Choppers game? I'm going to have Paul Sr. sign it, and then we'll open it up and we'll try to play it. Guys, I imagine it's a complete crap game.
Right.
But we're still going to play it. So stay tuned.
That was our finds. Now it's off to eat. I'm starving. All right, this is Nakado's, one of Sonny's favorite places to go. Hibachi. My mama always says people throw her food at her.
Wearing my new jacket.
Yeah, it looks good. Looks really good. Keeping you warm. We'll introduce you to everybody.
It's sad I'm wearing my jacket in April.
That's true. It's that cold, people. The heck. Flash me, baby, flash me. So Linda and Kim got him this shirt.
Just pause, you can read it.
If you don't stop writing when you get old, you get old when you stop writing. 50 years and still enjoying life's ride. There you go. Everybody needs a shirt like this when they turn 50. And ta-da! Mike's here with us. He's like family. I love that he's so close to us here. All right, you ready to meet my crazy family? So I'm gonna take you around and introduce you to everybody. So you saw Mike was here. We go this way, my side of the family. Mom, Dad,
got her hair did.
brother, Gino, Claire, Lauren, Drew. You guys know them. You've seen them before. I don't know these two. They joined us. But here's Kim, Linda, Haley, which I just met tonight. John, which is Kim and Linda's son. Then we've got Steve, Lance, Brittany, and Sienna.
Yes.
Is that right? Okay, I did it. All right, the whole crew's here. Now you know Sonny's side of the family and my side of the family. I think this is probably a first. This is pretty cool. Birthday time. What do we got?
Cake and some ice cream.
Happy birthday! Next stop, Andy's. Because Sonny loves Andy's frozen custard. Oh, it isn't? What is it?
Just a snow monster.
Just a snow monster, which has what? Strawberries?
Chocolate covered strawberries.
Strawberries. So we had cake there, little ice cream, but this is his favorite. Ultimate favorite, Andy's.
Candies. I like candies.
Should I end the video?
I don't know. You got how many minutes have you recorded?
I have no clue. I have no clue how many minutes this is going to be. Sure.
Okay.
We're ending this video.
I'm sorry if this is a 2-minute video, guys.
It literally might be 2 minutes. It'll be a record shortest video. Well, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Thanks for letting me be your host.
Got my snow
You
monster.
guys have a great night. Thank you.
I have no clue what we're doing tomorrow. Probably
Sure, we're
working. But my light's gonna disappear and it's gonna get dark in here. So thanks guys for all your wishes for him to have a happy birthday. Have a good one and he'll see you tomorrow.